Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda. Today we are making the most perfect one pot dish for the holiday season. Today we're making cranberry orange ham in one giant Dutch oven, which makes this super simple but really delicious. In a large Dutch oven, you're going to heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. You're going to add one medium yellow onion that's been diced and 2 stalks of celery that have also been diced. Cook, stirring occasionally until they're soft and translucent. Next, you'll stir in 1 Honeycrisp apple that's been peeled and chopped, along with 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook until they're nice and fragrant. You'll add 1½ cups of a wild rice blend, 3 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, 1 orange, both zested and juice. You'll add both the zest and the juice. You'll add in 2 teaspoons of freshly finely chopped rosemary, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and some salt and pepper to taste. Mix really well. You'll add in 2 cups of diced cooked ham, 1½ cups of fresh cranberries. Again, mix well. Then in a small bowl, you'll combine a 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Use a fork or a small whisk to whisk everything together. Then pour it into your rice mixture and stir gently. Cover your Dutch oven with its lid, and then this is going to go into your oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees for 60 minutes. After your 60 minutes are up, remove the lid and you'll let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes uncovered or until most of the liquid has been absorbed. Allow your ham and rice mixture to cool on your countertop for 10 minutes. Then you're going to fold in 1/3 cup of toasted pecans that have been roughly chopped. Mix it well, and then this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our holiday-ready one-pot orange cranberry and ham. This is such a great holiday recipe. It makes your oven smell just like Christmas, and it is an easy dish that the whole family will love. Thanks again for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.